Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts. Today I would like to share with you one of our control valve. This one. And now please follow me. Let's share it together. Firstly, you will see the outside packages. Generally we will use this kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag. Here this is the product SKU. And by the way, here, Caitlin would like to mention that for this kind of logo, the labeled packages, etc., we can supply the customized service. Let's open it. Inside, as you can see, it is this kind of transparent bottles, and it's very hard and it can be better protect our valve assembly during the transportation. When you open it, the inside is the oil paper to wrap it up. Wow, let's take a look. For this valve assembly, actually, we sell in the whole side of the control valve. We also sell the separate parts. Like for this valve cap or the valve rod. And if you look carefully, you will find the details on the valve cap here with the coating figures on the valve cap. This is the valve rod. And for our product, we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. So you got the quality guaranteed. And also, here Caitlin has several tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is when you install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position of the injector. The valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. So much for the control valve introduction. Actually, we also have the other product. Any other product, if you're interested, please feel free to contact us. You can make comments below these videos or follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.